children. So this week's video is gonna look a little different than what you're typically used to. We are here to say a huge thank you to one of our best and dearest friends, Emily Besser. She took the time during our wedding to take her drone out and get some amazing shots of whenever we were in Zion and doing our off-roading adventures, and of course at the rehearsal and wedding day itself. So she sent us the footage, and it's just a nice short little film of what we got to experience together with our friends and with each other.
Shout out to our friend Emily for taking the time and her skill set to film some of our wedding. We also had some other photographers, but she used her drone. It's amazing. The clips that she got and the editing is spot on, and this is just a big shout out and thanks to her, and we are so thankful for her capturing those moments that we got to experience with our loved ones, and you know, hoping, 10-year renewal vow or something like that, maybe she could be there and redo something similar.
For those of you that don't know Emily, she is also a fellow nomad. She recently quit her job. We actually worked together at the same company about 2 weeks ago. So she's up in Massachusetts visiting some family at the moment, but she will be traveling soon, probably by the winter. So make sure you give her a follow on Instagram and reach out to her and tell her how good of a job she did. Comment below, let us know your thoughts, and if you would like to see more content from our special day together.
Yeah, again, thank you so much, Emily. We really appreciate it, and yeah, like and subscribe, put a comment below what you think of the video.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Enjoy.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.